Hello friends, my name is Saurabh Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn or Not. Today we will learn about slices. Ever you wondered how to make your slices more appealing? Well, today you're in for a treat. Dive into the hidden depths of Excel and unearth some fantastic formatting tricks for slices that will transform your data analysis. First on the agenda, let's talk about stacking slices. Stacking slices is a neat trick that will allow you to save space and make your dashboard look more organized. Start by selecting the slicer and then choose the Options tab. Click on Columns and increase the number to stack your slices. Next up is changing the slicer style. This is a great way to make your slices match your overall theme. Go to the Options tab and select the Slicer Styles drop-down menu. Here, you will find a variety of styles to choose from. The third trick is resizing the slicer buttons. This is particularly useful when you have a lot of items in your slicer. To resize the buttons, select the slicer, go to the Options tab and adjust the button's size. Moving on to the Creating a Custom Slicer style. This lets you make your slicers truly unique. Go to the Options tab and click on New Slicer Style. From here, you can customize every aspect of your slicer, from the font color to the background color of selected items. The fifth trick is locking the slicer position. This ensures that your slicers stay in place even when you're scrolling through your spreadsheet. Right-click on the slicer and select Size and Properties. Go to the Properties section and check the box next to Don't Move or Size with Cells. Last but not least, let's talk about hiding items with no data. This helps to keep your slices clean and uncluttered. Select the slicer, go to the Options tab, and check the box next to Hide Items with no data. To summarize, we've learned 6 hidden formatting tricks for slicers today. We discovered how to stack slicers to save space, change the slicer style to match your theme, resize the slicer buttons for better visibility, create a custom slicer style for uniqueness, lock the slicer position for ease of use, and hide items with no data for a cleaner look. Remember, the key to mastering Excel is practice, so don't wait. Open up Excel and start exploring these tricks right away. You'll be amazed at how these simple changes can make your slicers more appealing and your data analysis more effective. Happy exploring!